Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So as we expected that the counseling schedule will be published soon. So officially it has been published and you can see on the screen the schedule for round 1, round 2 and mop-up round, and then online stay vacancy round. So complete schedule is published for MCC, okay, and as per the PTI it was expected to start from 19th of September, but from 15th of September only the registration is just starting. 15 to 23rd the registration will go on, and choice filling from 20th to 25. So by 19th, okay, they mentioned 19th is the starting date. So 19th was the starting date for kind of choice filling, okay, choice filling from 20 to 25th, and then result for first round will be on 28th of September, okay. So you can expect like choice filling or the registration for the state counseling will be starting by October month. Coming to round 2, so the registration will be freshly open for round 2, and it will be starting from 10th to 14th, choice filling from 11th to 14th, and you can expect the result 19th of October for round 2. Up to 26th you need to do the joining. So for joining they have given 1 week of time in round 2 and 1 week of time in round 1 also. And mop-up is going to start from 31st of October, okay. It's as per the last schedule. 31st October was the last date for the counseling. Now mop-up is starting from 31st October, and the result for the mop-up will be published on 9th of November, okay. And 17th of November is the result date for the stay vacancy round, and 21st is the last date of reporting, to 21st November. Okay, so this is the impact of delay. The counseling got delayed by 21st. The last date of the counseling completion got delayed by 20 to 21 days. Okay, so this is the schedule, and today is 7th. 7th is going to get over. So hardly you have 1 week of time. Okay, it's not much time left. In that time slot, you should get a decision from the courts like High Court and Supreme Court about EWS, NMC bill, Madras High Court. Okay, probably there will be some court case in West Bengal High Court, and then it will be coming to Supreme Court. So in this shorter span of time, everything should complete, and if it doesn't complete, then it will be going on as per the last year rules, regulation, and the fee structure. Okay, so you can also see here how many days time they have given. For registration 9 days, and for choice filling 6 days, 1 week of time, and for the reporting 6 days. Okay, so this is all about the much awaited reschedule of MCC counseling process. And so keep all the analysis ready, because this schedule still it is a headlines like tentative schedule, but every year they mention it tentative so that they can cover up by delaying like some or rescheduling. But this will be the final, almost final schedule, okay, and it won't change, okay, because one delay is already done. So that's all from my side, and I will tell you in detail like how you need to approach and all other pending EWS and MC bills whenever the update comes. So thanks for watching, and have a nice day.